Good afternoon. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and this is the first day I'm going to be working in my new spring and actually, not my spring. Is it spring? Yes, it is spring. Spring journal, my April, May, and probably not June, but maybe journal. So for this first spread, I have this, my daughter Bethany brought me home. It's a butterfly that someone made for her and she wanted to give it to me. So I'm going to just glue it down on here on this blank white page, and inside I'm going to put two photos that I took of our day together yesterday and of her and my grandson. And then I can write about stuff on this side. So I'm just going to kind of probably glue this side down. And that'll be there. And on this side, I got a late Easter card from my daughter-in-law. They forgot to give it to me on Easter. So since it is Easter, but I got it after Easter, I think I will, don't know if I think I'm going to maybe put it on this page. I was thinking I could do this, and then I have the envelope, but the envelope is kind of torn up, so I think I might just cut this out as a little decoration. And so I also wanted to show you guys, I made a little library card pocket with a library card, and I used this stamp for that, and I think I pushed down too hard because it's a little wavy, but I don't have it on there right. I see it's wavy on here. I must have squished it down too much on this. Now it's not so squished. Maybe I'll make a new one. I think I will. Let's see. I can make it on this board. I also have to cut down my size there. Let's do that. And yeah, so I'm just adding in a few little, you know, like bits and pieces of stuff that I've gotten. And I'll just make it about this tall. And I also forgot that I had wanted to, now I forgot, I'll just measure it with this one. I forgot that I had wanted to make some ruffles, sew some ruffles onto the sides of my pages. So I'm going to do that in the next video, but I'm probably not going to sew them. I'll sew the ruffles, you know, but together and then glue them. I feel like this is crooked. I'll just glue them onto page edge. There, that's good. So let's do this. I need my black ink. I like my lines straight, not crooked. All right, let's see if I could do a better job this time. I really am tempted to get that, you know, that press. I think it's by We Are Memory Keepers. I have a feeling I had too much ink on that. Oh no, it's perfect. I'm so happily surprised. It's perfect. All right, that's going in there now. Look at that. It's coming out the side. I'll do that. Okay, well, it's going to have to be good enough. There we go. So this ink is not dried out. That's going there. I'll put my name and the... I'm the author, and I'll put like spring 2024 there or something like that. We've got that. I got this cute little bird nest, which I thought was cute. And I thought this went very well with the colors. But I don't know if I'm going to put it anywhere. We'll see. I was going to put the envelope or the card on here, but I think it's just too big. I don't want to cover up all those birds. And I think it's too much almost the same colors. I think it stands out better on here. So what I'm going to do, I can do it this way too, but kind of like it better this way. I'm going to just put glue around 3 sides and make it be a pocket in case I ever want to have a pocket. So that's that. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Second guessing myself there for a minute. Okay. Let's put that like that. So my grandson made the egg. My daughter-in-law made the Happy Easter words. They made this card out of, I guess they just added these 2 things. I thought maybe at first it was a picture. Oh, it is. Yeah, I can see. They made the card. That's cute. And then my son drew the pictures. Alright, so we have a pocket here if we need it. And I'm going to cut this off. And I almost wish that actually I do have I kind of wish I had a circle, and I think I do have a circle that will fit on my what do you call it, my machine, my embossing cutting machine. And then I also need to put this down. I'm going to put this down this way. I lost my photos, though. Yeah, I got to put this down this way, I think. And then we'll open it up like that. So, I'm just going to put the glue on this side. So when you're seeing this, it will be after the eclipse. We are supposed to be able to see 97% of it covered up. So that should be pretty exciting. And yeah, let me know what your experience was with the eclipse in the comments. Alright, so I am going to cut this out, and I think I'll put that on my front page there. Let's get... Well, first I'll see if I have a circle that will actually fit around there. That's too big. This one might be perfect. I think we'll do that one. Alright. Now I can get... Okay, I think that's how we're going to do it. Just like that. And maybe I can do the next bigger circle up in a different color to mount it on. That would be cute. Okay, and that came out good. Pretty. Now maybe I'll go ahead and use this one with the bigger circle. Let's see. Yeah, this is the next biggest circle. I have nesting circles and nesting squares, ovals, and I think rectangles too. And they are the most used die cuts that I have, and I have quite a few. I don't think I've ever really embossed. I should try that sometime. Okay, and then we can just mount that on there. Put this. There's always this little dot that drives me nuts, and I don't particularly love these things either, but what are you gonna do? I think I'll go ahead and put that like that and glue it down on the page. Do this first. Actually, this side kind of looks, I don't know, does that look better? Probably not. Probably not better. Okay. So the flowers I want upright, I think. Happy Easter can go on the side. A little bit torn there, but that's alright. Now this. We're supposed to have warmer weather tomorrow. I hope so. I am ready. It's changing the color of the paper. That happened once before. Hopefully it doesn't show through. I forgot about that. Hopefully it doesn't show through. There. We're not going to worry about it. So that's my opening page. This is Bethany's page, and we're going to put the pictures on there. And I can do my journaling. And in here is the card. And that's, oops, that's what we're going to do today. Maybe, possibly, oh, I could put the butterfly over that little circle. Yeah, that is what I'm going to do. I'm not sure I really want it to puff out so much, though, but what are you going to do? Put a little glue on there. So I have seen people make ruffles with sewing them and stapling them. And I am going to try both methods. As I said, I'm going to sew them off camera or off the book and glue them onto the book because I forgot that I wanted to do it in the first place. Or it would have been a lot easier to just sew them right onto the pages. But since I didn't do that, I'll do it the other way. And so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day wherever you are. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe, and please be strong and courageous, because our life these days is pretty crazy, scary, and yep, I just wish you peace and happiness, and we'll see you again next time where I make the ruffles. Bye-bye.